How to fix slow performance issue after update on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started with the solutions. So first of all, what you have to do is, go to File Explorer and then click on Local Disk C. After that, tap on Windows folder, and on Windows folder, we have to search for the folder named Software Distribution. Click on it and then Ctrl A to select all of the files and then permanently delete it by clicking Shift plus Delete. Once you have done so, you can cross it now. Now go to Run tab and search for Clean Manager, select your driver and then calculate all the files that needs to be deleted. From this list, you can tick on Temporary Files, Recycle Bin and then click on OK to delete it. Once you have deleted, let's move on to the next solution. Right-click on the Start button and open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is opened, you have to click on Startup to see the applications that are enabled or disabled. From this list, you can choose any of the files that are enabled right now and you currently do not require it. For that, what you have to do is just select it and then click on Disabled. For example, if you want to disable Spotify, right-click on it and click on Disable. This should also work. Now what you have to do is tap on type here to search and search for command prompt. Once you have opened the command prompt, make sure to run it as administrator. Now hereby you have to tap in sfc space / and scan now. This might take a while, you have to wait till it is completed and then restart your device. And once this is completed, last option is to update your device. For that, what you have to do is you can right click and go to Settings, or the next way is click on the type here to search and search for Troubleshoot Settings. Once you open the Troubleshoot Settings, you will get this troubleshoot page. Now tap here to Additional Troubleshooters or Other Troubleshooters. Once the page is open, you have to select for the Windows Update and then click on Run it as Troubleshooter. And this should also work fine. After this, make sure to restart your device and check the performance. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.